Hello, hi, how are you doing? So I'm currently in Nakuru, and I would love to show you my room. Nakuru is a new city in Kenya, and it's a beautiful place to be. It's like our Vegas here in Kenya. Many people like calling it Nax Vegas. Anyway, enjoy the room tour. So this is the hallway, and then this is my room. So when you come in, that's the door leading to this house or this home. So when you get in, the first thing you see is the table and a chair there. Then I have more seats there. That's my phone and the remote down there. Then that's the TV. On this side, we have, it's more like a closet, but it's not so modern. But that's how it looks. I like it because I have many spaces for putting stuff. So that's it for that side. And then we have the bed. So that's the bed. And that's how it looks. Then there's a window there. There's the curtain. There's more lighting there. Then this is the bathroom. We have two slippers, but I'll be using just one pair. Actually, I usually carry my own slippers. And then this is the washroom. And then this is the bathroom. So basically, that's how my house looks. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye. Have a nice time. It's at night right now, so have a good night. Ciao. Bye bye. See ya.